Good Saturday morning, everybody. Guess who fell asleep on the couch last night? Again.
Not me.
Me. Yes, it was me. I fell asleep on the couch, went to bed at 10 o'clock and got up at a ridiculously late time again, so I obviously need it. I'm obviously just wearing myself out, thinking about things. That's what it's got to be, isn't it?
Mm.
Never mind. Anyway, Saturday morning. Today we've not got much planned. We're just going to potter about the house today. Tomorrow we've got plans. Need to nip out. Michelle's dad's coming round. We're going to start looking at restructuring our garden. So we've actually got a nice place to sit out. We need to extend the house out into the outside world. And we realised that when the sun hit us for the first time in 4 years, yeah, and we could actually sit outside. No comment.
Mm-hmm.
Mm. But at this moment in time, we're sitting inside under blankets because it's back to normal Scottish weather. Anyway, I'm going to have some coffee, what I've just made for myself and Michelle, and relax for a bit. Moving on. Okay guys, so we finally watched the programme I was going to watch on Tuesday or Monday, The Suffragettes with Lucy Worsley. What did you think? Think the tactics were worth it?
I don't think we're very much further forward now than we were then. And I don't agree with violence being the answer.
Yeah. It's well worth a watch. It was a pretty honest documentary, wasn't it? They just basically said what they did. Didn't go into any. Didn't have any political statement, did it? It was just a matter of fact documentary. It was pretty good actually. I quite enjoyed it. Everybody knows the story of the suffragettes, but you didn't quite know, or I didn't know, what full length they actually did go to. It opened my eyes a little bit. Vicky, did you know the full story? No. Anyway, Saturday evening. Might have some gins in a minute, a two, a three. Moving on. Okay, guys, we've just watched the Queen's Trooping of the Colour because it's her official birthday in summer, not a real birthday, her official birthday. So. Michelle was remembering her military career, weren't you?
My incredibly short-lived military career, yeah.
And it's enjoyable. Bit of pride in the country, yeah. Enjoyed that. Now I don't know what we're going to do. 9 o'clock. I was contemplating putting a film on. The Darkest Hour. Fancy that? And a gin.
It's a bit late.
I'm just going about to open the gin.
Yeah, I know, but it is still a bit late for a film. You'll fall asleep.
I've been asleep all day. Moving on.
Dad let you really anything.
Okay, so sandwiches. Okay guys, role reversal. Michelle's moving all the stuff about and I'm going shopping. I'm going to get the last bits for the holiday. Because
yeah.
Moving on. Okay guys, that's stage one of my errands completed. Off to stage two now to go and get some building materials. Moving on. screws. For more screws. Didn't have everything I wanted. Need to go elsewhere.
Try to overturn more than it does.
Osh. Okay guys, that's part 2 done. I've got lunch. Got one more trip to do. You're all worn out now from doing all this work. I'm moving all that wood. Done a good job of it though.
Oh, thank
I just got back in time to give you a hand, didn't I?
you. You just got back in time to feed us our lunch.
Yes, skilled. It's a skill. Moving on. You struggling to stay awake there? Yeah, Sunday night's coming to an end now. We're going to call it on the vlog. A few things to get ready for work for tomorrow and then off to bed. So we've not really done much today. Well, sorry, I'll rephrase that. I've not really done much today other than run them errands. Michelle's been grafting and slaving in the garden, haven't you? But you're really excited about it, aren't you?
I am, yeah.
Got big plans, haven't you? So what's first thing your dad's going to do? Put the fence up?
Probably the fence first, yeah. But my first job's to get that wall painted.
Next weekend.
Weekend
After we come back from Cracker.
Yeah.
And as you can see, we're both yawning quite a lot, so I think it's time to call it. That's the weekend that was. Not done a great deal of vlogging this weekend, but I've done a lot of editing due to the fact that we're away next week. I'm trying to get up some of my Hong Kong stuff to fill in so that I'm not committed to having to put anything up. I may put some one takes up, but I'm not too sure. It depends what I'm able to do. So with that, we've got 2 days to do at work. Sorry, I'm getting distracted by watching something on the TV. Frankie Boyle being beaten up by a bush in a sauna. But never mind. Yeah, I'm really confused. Anyway, with that, it's a good night from me.
And it's a good night from him.
Good night, see you all in the morning. Working week's here again.